হ্যালো গাইস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। দিস ইজ দি টেক হাব। আজকে মূলত আপনাদের সাথে আলোচনা করব বিস্তারিত নিয়ে যে হোয়াট ইজ মর্গেজ, লোন বেসিক ফর বিগিনার। যে আপনারা নতুন অবস্থায় কীভাবে মর্গেজ থেকে লোন নেবেন, আর মর্গেজটা মূলত কী, আর এটার ডেফিনেশন কী, আর হচ্ছে কে কে আসলে মর্গেজটা পায়। তো এটা হচ্ছে রকেট মর্গেজ। সব কিছুই বিস্তারিত এই রকেট মর্গেজ আপনাদের সাথে তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করব। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে আপনি যদি আমার চ্যানেল নতুন হয়ে থাকেন, অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটা অন করে দেবেন নিত্য নতুন আরও ভিডিও পেতে। তো গাইস, লেটস গেট স্টার্ট। আমরা মূলত যেই রকেট মর্গেজ আছে, rocketmortgage.com যে ওয়েবসাইট আছে, তাদের অফিসিয়াল ওয়েবসাইট, সেই ওয়েবসাইটে চলে আসছি। সেই ওয়েবসাইট থেকে আমরা মূলত এই জিনিসটা দেখতে পারবো। তো গাইস, আপনারা জাস্ট সার্চ করবেন, সার্চ করে দ্বারা আপনারা মর্গেজে চলে আসবেন। এখান থেকে আপনারা দেখতে পারবেন যে হোয়াট ইজ মর্গেজ, লোন বেসিক ফর বিগিনার। তো এই জায়গায় আরও অনেক কিছু দেওয়া আছে, লাইক ফর মেনি owning home is part of the American dreams. Most homeowner in American getting mortgage is just one of the step of getting there. If you are comfortable home ownership and wondering how to get started, you have come to the right place. Here we will cover all the mortgage basic, including loans basic, mortgage lingo, the home buying processing and more. A simple definition of a mortgage. Before I dive in, let's talk about some mortgage basic. First, what does the word of mortgage mean? A mortgage also refers to a mortgage loan. Is an agreement between you and mortgage lender to buy or refining home without having all cash upfront. This agreement gives lender the right of the responses of property if you fail to meet the terms of your mortgage, most completely not by not repaying the money you are borrow plus interest. Who's get a mortgage? Most people who buy a home do so which a mortgage. A mortgage is necessary if you can pay the full cost of the home out of pocket. There are some cases of issue, like mortgage you have own, thought you have to money to pay if off for explain. Investor in sometimes mortgage properties to free refunds, like and free ups to fund the investment. What is the difference between a loan and a mortgage? The terms loan can be used to describe your financial transaction where one party received a lump sum and agrees to pay the money back. A mortgage is a type of loan that's used to finance property. A mortgage is a type of a loan, but not all loans are mortgage. Mortgages are secured loan, which a secured loan to the bearer promises collateral to the lender. Then even they stop paying. In case of the mortgage, the collateral is the home. If you stop making payments on your mortgage, your lender can the possession of your home in a progress known as foreclose. তো আরও ওই জায়গায় আছে হোয়াট ডাজ মিন এ মর্গেজ লোন ওয়ার্ক. When you get a mortgage, your lender gives you a set of amount of money to buy the home. You agree to pay back your loan with interest over a period several years. The lender rights to the home continue until the mortgage is fully paid off. All automation loan have a set payment schedule, so the loan is paid off the end of your term. The difference between a mortgage and others loan is if you fail to the repay to loan, your lender can sell your home in recover with losses. Contrast with that to what happens if you fail to make credit cards payments. You don't have to return the things you bought with the credit card. Thought you may have to pay all pieces during your account correction and additional with dealing and navigation impacted on your credit score. What does I get a mortgage? The mortgage loan process is fairly straightforward. If you have a regular job, education, income, and good credit score, there are several steps you will need to take the become of homeowner. So here a rundown of what you need to do. Get pre-approval or be ready to show proof of funds. You will need pre-approval to take seriously by real estate agrees and seller in today real estate market. Pre-approval, it's a good idea to get his initial approval from your mortgage lender before you start looking as a home. Getting pre-approval upfront we tell you exactly how much you will qualify for your. Don't waste time shopping homes and outside your budget. In some very hot seller market around the US, you may not be able to get a real estate agent to meet with you and before you have a pre-approval letter in hand. There is a difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. Pre-qualification involves sharing verbs and written estimate of your income and asset with your lender, who may or may not check your credit. You can use our home affordability calculator to get you sense what you afford to you begin things about or buying a home, but the number you use weren't verified, so if won't carry much weight to with seller real estate agents. So mortgage pre-approval on the other hand means of the lender is verified your financial information and issued a pre-approval letter is shown seller an agreement with your essentiality has approval pending and demonetize your house value and conditions. Rocket Mortgage offers verified approval, which verified your income, asset, or the credit card chart front, give you the straight and confidence of a cash buyer. When you ready to make a offer, you will attach your pre-approval letter to your offer so that the seller can be sure you will be able to get a mortgage. All cash purchase is made real estate markets sellers and the luxury of choosing a buyer front of among several cases offered. That's mean that seller about the certifiably waiting the buyer mortgage to be approval. In those situation, buyer should attach a proof of funds letter with their offer so that the seller is certain that the buyer has the money they need to at the ready of complete the transaction. তো মোটামুটি এই জায়গায় অনেক কিছু আপনাদেরকে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করলাম। কেমন হয়েছে আপনারা আমাকে জানাবেন। আর হোয়াট ইজ এ মর্গেজ অ্যান্ড লোন বেসিক ফর বিগিনার কেমন লাগছে আমাকে কমেন্টসের মাধ্যমে জানাই দেবেন। তো গাইস আজকের মতো এই পর্যন্তই। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে একটা লাইক দিবেন, আর আপনি আমার চ্যানেল নতুন হয়ে থাকলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, পাশে থাকলে বেল বাটন করে দেবেন নিত্য নতুন ভিডিও পেতে। তো আজকের মতো টাটা, ভালো থাকবেন।